Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code B2983 indicates a malfunction within the recirculation control motor circuit. Associated components like the linkage, door, or motor could be involved. This error can activate the DTC indicator on the climate control panel, showing as either BB6 or 57, depending on whether the display is present. The recirculation control system is crucial as it regulates air quality and temperature by determining whether cabin air is recirculated or if fresh air is introduced. It is typically located within the dashboard area, connected to the climate control unit, which features either a display or non-display interface. Understanding these aspects is essential for effectively diagnosing and repairing the issue to ensure optimal climate control functions in the Honda CR-V. The error indicated by DTC B2983 signifies a specific problem in the recirculation control motor circuit. This may originate from one of several components, including the motor itself, the control linkage, or the physical door that directs airflow within the vehicle's climate control system. The recirculation control motor plays a pivotal role as it ensures that either outside air or cabin air is used, influencing temperature and air quality. The control linkage is responsible for translating the movements of the motor to the door, while the door regulates the air path. An issue here could result in inefficient climate control, which is critical for passenger comfort, especially in extreme weather conditions. Several issues could lead to the appearance of DTC B2983. An open wire defect in the M-REC line could disrupt communication between the recirculation motor and the climate control unit. Similarly, an open wire in the M-FRS line would hinder the motor's functioning. The M-REC line is vital for the recirculation control motor's operation, while the M-FRS line impacts wiring related to the fan relay system. Shorted wires can create path interruptions, leading to erroneous signals or no signals at all. These wiring problems are common culprits in electrical faults and can occur due to wear, corrosion, or improper installation, making thorough checks imperative in troubleshooting this DTC. Several symptoms may manifest when DTC B2983 is present. A primary indicator is the failure of the climate control system, where the user might experience an inability to adjust temperature settings effectively. Inconsistent airflow within the cabin could also occur, leading to discomfort during driving. Additionally, error messages may appear on the display panel, alerting the driver to a problem in the system. Physical symptoms, such as unusual noises from the climate control area, might also be noticed. These visual and performance discrepancies compromise passenger comfort and signal that immediate diagnostics are necessary to restore functionality. The first troubleshooting step involves verifying the DTC by clearing it using the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System. This specialized tool allows for an effective reset of the vehicle's error codes. Following the clear, transition the vehicle into the off/lock mode, and then back to the on mode to check if the issue persists. It's critical to perform a self-diagnostic function with the HDS or the climate control unit itself to verify if the DTC reappears. If after these steps, the DTC does not return, it may indicate a temporary error, while consistent reappearance signifies a persistent fault that needs further investigation. This step is essential in filtering out errors that fluctuate due to momentary glitches. In the second troubleshooting step, start by ensuring the vehicle is switched to the off/lock mode. Proceed to disconnect the climate control unit connector B, which is a 24-pin connector, as well as the recirculation control motor's 5-pin connector to isolate the problem effectively. With these connections detached, use a multimeter to check for continuity between designated test points, specifically between Climate Control Unit Connector B, pin 17, and the female terminal number 5 of the recirculation control motor connector. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates that the MREC wire is intact and not an open circuit. However, if no continuity is found, it confirms a break in this wire, necessitating repairs to restore function. Continuing from the previous step, the third troubleshooting process involves testing the MFRS line. Again, ensure the vehicle is off and both connectors remain disconnected. This time, focus on checking continuity between Climate Control Unit Connector B, pin 18, and the female terminal number 4 of the recirculation control motor connector. If continuity is confirmed, you can proceed knowing that the MFRS wire is functioning and not open. However, if the continuity check fails, this confirms the presence of a break in the MFRS wire. This needs addressing to prevent communication issues within the climate control system, directly impacting operational reliability. The next step focuses on identifying potential shorts in the MREC wire circuit. Begin with the vehicle in the off-lock state, keeping the previous connectors disconnected. Check continuity again, this time between Climate Control Unit Connector B, pin 17, and a solid body ground. If continuity is found, it indicates a short situation where the MREC wire could be grounding out somewhere. Such defects must be repaired promptly, as they negatively influence the motor's function. If no continuity is found, then the MREC wire is determined to be in good condition, allowing you to advance to the next step in troubleshooting the climate control system. In this fifth step, the troubleshooting continues with a focus on the MFRS wire and the potential for any shorts. Again, ensure that the vehicle is in the off-lock mode and that the previous connectors remain disconnected to ensure accurate testing. Check for continuity between Climate Control Unit Connector B, pin 18, and the vehicle's body ground. If continuity is present, it's indicative of a short circuit in the MFRS wire, requiring immediate attention and repair. Should no continuity exist, it confirms that the MFRS wire is functioning correctly. Understanding whether the wire is shorted helps pinpoint further diagnostic paths, ensuring that the climate control system operates correctly moving forward. The final troubleshooting step centers around the recirculation control motor itself. This device must be tested to verify its operational integrity, considering its importance in the climate control system. If the motor is functioning correctly, the issue lies within the climate control unit itself, and its replacement is necessary to restore full operation. Conversely, if the recirculation control motor fails the test, it should be replaced, or any mechanical or linkage issues impacting the motor's performance should be addressed. This step is crucial as it concludes the diagnostic path, determining whether to replace parts or attempt repairs based on the motor's operational status. After performing the necessary repairs or replacements, it is critical to conduct a final verification to ensure the problem has been fully resolved. Begin by clearing any DTCs once more and observing if they reappear upon restart. Following this, test the climate control functionality thoroughly across various settings, ensuring it operates as expected under both low and high demand. Monitor the air circulation, temperature adjustments, and general system responses to ensure no further issues persist. This step is essential in confirming that not just the specific fault code, but the underlying issues affecting the climate system have been addressed effectively. reinstating normal operations within the Honda CR-V. Preventive maintenance plays an essential role in minimizing potential issues like those indicated by DTC B2983. Regular inspections of the electrical systems help identify weak points, such as corroded wires or loose connections, ensuring longer functionality. It's also important to inspect climate control components periodically, checking motors, links, and doors for any signs of wear and tear. Scheduling routine maintenance can catch potential problems early, avoiding larger repairs down the line and improving reliability. In essence, proactive care of the vehicle's climate control system not only enhances the immediate driving experience, but also contributes to the longevity and health of the vehicle overall. In summary, addressing DTC B2983 requires a systematic approach to troubleshoot and rectify issues related to the recirculation control motor circuit. Each troubleshooting step must be executed meticulously, from checking continuity to testing components, allowing for accurate identification of the source of the fault. By employing the detailed stepwise method laid out within this guide, you can ensure that any problems affecting the climate control system are effectively resolved. Ultimately, successful diagnostics lead to the restoration of optimal function, enhancing the driving experience in the Honda CR-V, while ensuring passenger comfort remains a priority. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.